Okay, y'all, so we have an everyday face ready to go. Antioxidants protecting the face. We've got the Lit from Within, faking a nice internal healthy glow. So end of the day, want to take this off, might as well do something good for our skin, again, with antioxidants, right? Not just take the makeup off, but like let's actually improve the skin at the same time. Get multiple things done with one product. That's what I'm all about. So, multitask. This is an awesome product that we developed because it serves as an oil cleanser. So it doesn't just remove the makeup, but it also cleans the skin. It absorbs the oil, absorbs other oil molecules. So it's going to reduce your breakouts. It also binds with dirt, so the oil molecule binds with the dirt. And so when you wash all of that off, you're cleaning your face, you're preventing breakouts, you're removing your makeup. And then it also has jojoba and olive oil. So both of those are loaded with antioxidants. So I use it to clean my face. And then once I'm done, because I have super dry alligator skin, I will put a thin layer on as a moisture mask. And over the course of about 10 minutes, my skin absorbs all of the oil. And it's just like a little anti-aging serum. So really handy product. I use it every night before I go to bed. Sometimes if my skin's feeling really dry, I'll even slather some on in the morning. Okay, so I'm gonna take all this makeup off that I just put on, but that's okay because I want to show you how well the concealer works also, as you know, a secondary product that you can use for, you know, heavy discoloration. But first we will take off the makeup that we put on. Comes in a little squeezy like that. Okay, so I just use a few drops, not a lot, guys. A little bit goes a really long way. That's about it. Okay, rub together. Sort of massaging into my face. And then I take a Kleenex, wipe it off. See? Oh, all the redness, all the discoloration coming back. Now we're gonna do the eyes. I have to use a little bit more on the eyes because the Superhero mascara formulation is tough. It's different than, I don't know how to explain it. It's different than normal mascara, so it's turns into like a solid. I've got a bunch of oil on each eye. And let it sit for a little while. So if I give it a little rub, see it's coming loose. Ha! I look like a panda bear. Okay, coming back now. Wiping it away. Okay, eye makeup gone. Dark circles back. I'm gonna leave right now, go wash my face to kind of make sure that I've removed all of the oil and all of the dirt and all of the makeup. And then might put a thin layer back on if I were to go to bed so that I've got kind of a nice antioxidant serum. I use at night Neutrogena, right? You thought I was gonna say something from Dermaflage. I will be talking plenty about Dermaflage. But this product is found at the drugstore. It is an awesome product because it is inexpensive and it is a high level of the retin A. So retinol, a lot of you guys know about retinol and what it does for acne and what it does for anti-aging. But what you might not know is that retinol is essentially vitamin A, right? It's a form of vitamin A, and it is proven to be the, or maybe, I don't know, vitamin C is a close second, most effective antioxidant in anti-aging, as well as controlling acne. So I wear this product at night because strong retinol or high levels of retinol will make you more sensitive to the sun. Excuse my products because I'm here at home. I can't get into the office. So all of the products I'm going to show you are coming directly from my makeup bag, and they are beat up because I use them every day. Good Skin, for those of you who are not familiar with this product, it's amazing. We developed it for stretch marks and for scars. And it is the only scar cream that includes peptides and hyaluronic acid, because peptides increase collagen production. What they do is they actually go in and they communicate with the cells and get the cells thinking, oh, I need to produce collagen, right? So it doesn't actually, the peptides don't produce collagen themselves. They are a communicative, let me say that again, a communicative force that tells cells we need to produce collagen. Collagen, of course, is the thing in our skin that makes our skin elastic, makes it supple, and makes it fuller. So as we age, the reason your face changes is because you're losing collagen, right? And your skin starts to sag because it's not as elastic and it's not as full. So collagen is very important to both maintain and to continue to produce as we get older. Hyaluronic acid, many of you may be familiar with it. It is the single most powerful moisturizing agent that we have today. It helps both maintain the moisture in your skin and plump your skin. So the Good Skin cream, again, awesome for the stretch marks and scars, but really great to wear on your face every day. You'll find that it is extremely moisturizing. You'll also find that it is lightweight and not greasy, and it sinks into the skin really fast. And because it's silicone, it's a great primer before you put on your makeup. So those primers that you guys probably use, whether it's MAC or whether it's NYX or any other drugstore brands, those, if you look on the back, the ingredient is dimethicone. Dimethicone is silicone. That's all it is. It's just a silicone cream that you're putting on top of your skin. That does help keep moisture in, but it also blurs out your pores and it blurs out your wrinkles. So using Good Skin, you're doing that. So it's a great primer, but you're also getting the benefits of the peptides and the hyaluronic acid. Lastly, and most importantly, in the Good Skin are different fruit extracts. And the reason we included fruit extracts is because of the antioxidants. So you're getting a dose of vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin E. Got the Good Skin here. Can see kind of the consistency, maybe. It's about all I use. Very important, neck and tops of the hands. And it doesn't matter how much filler or plastic surgery you have, your neck and your hands are dead giveaways.